If you're experiencing ads that are over-reporting, just like this, see the ROAS here is 3.5x on Facebook and 1.7x the true ROAS that we measured. If you're experiencing this kind of thing, I will show you how to fix this. Let me first just tell you quickly why this is happening. This is most of the time happening because view through setting is on in Facebook. In True ROAS, you can turn it on or off, but in Facebook, there's an actual setting. Let's see, I prepared here. Here you can actually change the attribution setting because this engaged view and view through is basically if somebody slips with their thumb, there we go, then they're going to be counted as a conversion. By the way, I'm the founder of True ROAS and I look at accounts like this all the time. I see exactly what's wrong. Sometimes it's the pixel, but most of the people have the pixel set up correctly and have this issue. And when it's over-reporting, you want to just look at the click. And this is going to affect your optimization. So you want to actually have this on to make sure that you show Facebook when people are buying, but they're low-key kind of already knowing it. But like this is great to have on just for optimization purposes, and then you can actually measure it in something like True ROAS, but obviously you gotta have an external thing to look at them. But basically if you just turn it off right here, like none and none, this is the setting that you want in order to actually, you can still just do 7 days in order to get it properly. But inside True ROAS, you can also do like 28 days or longer attribution windows. So if people take more than 7 days, this is kind of important. But this also means that you're never really going to be able to see the truth inside Facebook. Sad to say, you're going to need to measure it some other way. But once you have this on, you're going to start seeing way better numbers inside Ads Manager, which is obviously great. And the way that True ROAS works and the way that we do this is we just separate the numbers. So we do our own attribution. So this is a store. This is just before Black Friday. So they're spending pretty good right now. Yeah. So here we can see this campaign right here have a 1.6x ROAS inside True ROAS, but Facebook is reporting 2.9. So it's shown to the right people. Great. But people are not clicking to buy. So here's an opportunity where you can actually improve the CTR of the ad. So you can go in here and look at the ad, like what is the actual CTR? Do I have that here? The click CTR is 2.7. So you can see there's some ads that have a higher, so there's a higher potential. So if you increase the CTR here, basically you're showing the ad to the right people, you can get them to buy faster. So that's the opportunity when you're seeing this kind of over-reporting with view through. But in general, that means this ad is not scalable. Like people are not clicking to buy. It's not making people buy. So I'm going to show you how to find the ads to scale in this account right now. I just looked at this, like I just opened this, so I haven't looked at this before. So you can see here a 2.64x ROAS from Facebook and a 2.7 from True ROAS. So True ROAS is connected directly to the store, so we cannot over-attribute. If you turn on the view through, it can over-attribute. This is actually also using like 7 days attribution model, but in general, like we can do it even longer. So let's look at the ad set here. The ad set is just one ad set, and then we can see the different ads. So it's a 3x ROAS from us and 2.48 here. This is ultra scalable. You can also see it's got a lot of conversions. But when the numbers look like this, and there's a lot of them, this is like open goal. Like just raise the budget when you're seeing these numbers, because the break even here is like 1.6. Like there's no budget that is too high here. It's just free money. And this works like this because this one right here is actually almost losing money, and this has a higher ROAS than that one. So it's kind of fucked up, to be honest, with how it works. So like here is a 3x ROAS, but it's actually a 1.7. And this is just how it works with the reporting. And when you start mixing it up and you also have Google Ads on, like it's just gonna become a mess. And that's basically the easiest way to change the attribution model inside the Ads Manager in Facebook, and then you can just look at the actual clicks, which is like how it should be measured. Like if people go onto your website to buy, if that's the customer journey that they take, and they don't do that, then you shouldn't measure it as something that you can scale. And that's why you want to measure, so that you can find stuff to scale, so that you can grow your business, and also so that you can just stop wasting money. There's so many people wasting money on ads that just don't work. Yeah, so that's about it. I just want to show you how to stop over-reporting in your account. That's easy. If you want to see if you're tracking correctly, I'm gonna leave in the link a free tracking audit, which is like an online audit where you just get a score of how well you're tracking. So it was nice to meet you, and to meet you. But yeah, looking forward to hear what you want me to go over next, because I basically have access to any kind of data and tracking inside the e-commerce space primarily. So have a good one, and see you later. Ciao.